Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Ranger versus the Strada Triton. We'll dive into their engine performance, looking at horsepower and torque figures. Next, we'll review their towing and payload capacities, crucial for work or adventure. Finally, we'll explore the interior features and technology each truck offers, helping you decide which pickup best suits your needs. When it comes to power, the Ford Ranger offers a standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine, delivering 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Higher trims can get a 2.7-liter V6 with 315 horsepower. The Mitsubishi Strada Triton counters with a 2.4-liter biturbo diesel engine, producing 204 PS and 470 Newton-meters of torque. Both trucks offer strong performance, but with different engine philosophies. For capability, the Ford Ranger truly shines with a maximum towing capacity of 7,500 pounds across most configurations. Its payload can reach up to 1,805 pounds. The Mitsubishi Strada Triton is also highly capable, offering a brake towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms, which is approximately 716 pounds. It also provides a strong payload capacity of up to 1,090 kilograms. Both are serious contenders for hauling and towing. Inside, the Ford Ranger offers a modern cabin with an available 12.4-inch touchscreen and Ford Sync 4 infotainment system, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Strada Triton features a 9-inch display audio system, also with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on higher trims, plus convenient storage. Both provide comfortable and connected experiences. Considering performance, capability, and features, each truck presents compelling value. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.